In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a mind map on Google Slides. We'll build it right on a mobile device, keeping everything simple, clear, and ready to share. Start by launching the Google Slides app on your phone. Open an existing presentation if you've already got a deck started, or create a fresh one to keep your mind map separate and tidy. A blank slide works best, so you have plenty of space to lay out your ideas. Next, tap the plus icon at the top of the screen to insert your first element. Choose Shape, then pick a prominent shape like an oval or a rounded rectangle. Place it near the center of the slide. This will become your main hub. Double tap inside the shape and type your core topic. To make it stand out, tap the format icon, the A with lines at the top, and increase the font size or set it to bold. Keep this text short and clear so it's easy to read at a glance. Now let's add subtopics. Tap the plus icon again, select Shape, and choose a slightly smaller shape, or switch to a different color to visually distinguish these from your central idea. Place the new shape near the center hub, then type your subtopic inside it. Repeat this process to scatter multiple subtopic nodes around the main shape. Leave enough space between them so you can draw clean connectors later. Consistent sizing and a limited color palette help the map feel organized even as it grows. To link your ideas together visually, tap the plus icon again and choose Line. You can select a basic straight line or pick an elbow connector if you want lines that neatly bend around shapes. Tap and drag the endpoints of the line to connect your central shape to a subtopic shape. If the line isn't landing exactly where you want, drag the small handles at the ends until it snaps to the edge of each shape. Continue linking each subtopic back to the core and consider slight adjustments to keep lines from crossing whenever possible. Finally, take a moment to group and clean up your layout. Zoom out and look for crowding, uneven spacing, or tiny text. Align shapes so related ideas sit at similar distances from the center, and nudge connectors so the paths are clear. Group items that belong together so they move as one if you need to reposition sections. Keep labels concise, make sure colors are consistent, and ensure your main topic remains the visual anchor. When it feels balanced and readable, your mobile mind map is ready to present or share.